Hey guys, we'll be back again to my new video, a tutorial to OSP Pro, a new video tutorial in we're going to learn today how to download a complete website for free. I give assumption you have this site with you. I'm just going to give a demo site, and maybe this is the site you have. Just pick that. Wow, that's great. Now, to download a site, I give assumption I have this site here. Just pick this. Let me just show one online. Simply to see how you can come up with one to download. I have this site of mine. In fact, it's not mine. I'm just going to use any site. Just think of a site. Maybe it is going to be to download. Maybe give assumption. Maybe tutorialspoint.com. So I have a site called maybe Tutorials Point. I think Tutorials Point, that one there. So if this is the site we have to download, this is it. Now, to download that site, there's something that you always have to know. To download this site so that I have it on my home, this entire site, don't forget the URL. We're after the URL of this site. So just come back here on your page, and then you go to Google. And going to Google, just thing you have to do here is you to come and type on as httrack download, this one here, you get. So when you click on download, it will pick for you. It's called httrack download. This is it. This one always we tend to use it for downloading up your website. So please just go and click any version of the very version you would like to use. Just click on it, and after clicking on it, then to just download for you there and then. So I already have a copy of mine downloaded. You can pick this very first one. So this is the URL. I'm just going to pick this URL, and this is the URL I'm going to put in the description of the video, so that you guys can just know where to pick the URL of that httrack, so that you can download the entire site. So it will not matter which site you like to download. Just pick that. Just make sure that you have that downloaded. Now the next step you have to do is to install it. After downloading, so I already have my copy. I already have mine downloaded. So this is it. I just need to just double click on it, open it up. So after launching up that httracker, the first thing you have to know is where do you want to put the files after downloading. So I'm just going to give assumption. I'll go to my desktop. I create a folder. I'm just going to give the folder maybe YouTube. Maybe that's the folder name I have. This on YouTube. So if that's the folder name, what I'm going to do at the moment, would like now the other files you're going to download to be inside YouTube. So to do that, just come back here in the httrack. Click here. Now here you can give the project name. You can just call maybe for studies, maybe just study. Here you can give the whatever if you want or not. You can pick that. Now here they're trying to tell you the path where the site is. So you can just pick here. Now just go to the desktop like that. And on the desktop, pick on YouTube, because YouTube, that's where we would like to pick our files, to all our files to be downloaded inside YouTube. So you just come and select that, and I think you can see now the path is new, the new path is set. To do that, just come here and click continue. Now on click continue, it's going to ask you in the simple term, download website. So here now, download website, we have to put in the URL. Now to make things simpler, like we said, we already have this URL here. This is the URL we need. So just copy the entire URL. Get the universal resource locator, copy the entire URL, and then come this side down here, and then paste it. Paste that there as it is. So just click here one on as download. So when I click finish, like that, I think you see the site magic's happening. Yeah, the site's downloading. So I give assumption right now. If you try to check onto that page again, if you check into that page back again right now at the moment. So Android is also updating. So the next new video we shall be having is Android development with OSP Pro. I hope you'll not forget that. And please, for any of you guys who are interested in Android development, who is interested in internship or interested in short course programs, please come to OSP IT Digital Solutions. Or I advise you also just make sure you come to OSP IT Digital Solution and you do your hands-on practical internship with short courses with OSP Pro. So you'll find me there. Don't forget that. So don't forget, remind me of putting up the my email address and my phone number so that you guys can hit me up there. So let me just take the other side now. If you go back on that files, just check right now here. I think you can see so far the files downloading. And if you check this part of the files, like you can see the index there, the stuff's coming up, though it's still at 0 kbs. Now to make story short, I'm just going to show you into one of those happen download to show you what I mean. So this is my drive. I'm just going to go to web projects and then I go to tutorials point. I think you can see. So if I just click there, I think you can see here tutorials point, tutorialspoint.com. So if I double click there, I think you can see it's popping up. Just wait a minute. Wow, what's going on? So if you just check here, I click there. Check that very well. What a boy. So check that very well for you guys so that index. So the index page is there, so you can hit on the index, and when you hit on the index, I think you can see it's loading from my page, which is that, picking up that URL. Or if not so, I can also just pick it from here, like that, and after doing that, I think you can see it's going to be popping up my stuff, get? Yeah, all that's now going to take kind of long because I'm actually connected on internet. That's why it's taking a lot of time for it to pop up for us, you get. But now if you check, I think you can see it. Wow, that's great. So if I click here and I go to tutorials point, you get, and I go to index, I think you will be seeing it popping up for us. The entire site will be downloading. It means it's ready. This is it. I think you can see. So that's how you guys, we tend to download entire website offline. That's it. That's it. That's it. So members, if you find this video so important to you, I know if it has saved your life, just do me a favor, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please comment and let me know what you guys are thinking about. Then also please share the video to your friends. And the last thing that I will simply say, if you know you're coming from within Africa, or which part of the world you're in, and you're interested in my programming videos, please you can come in for short course programs, or you can hit me up and find out how we can do a short course program with you. What I'll be doing with you is just hands-on. That's all, hands-on, practical kind of stuff. If it is coding, we shall code. If it is need us to do more than coding, I think that will be what? I don't know, but maybe you know better. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you.